Animal Company just changed. By the way, before I explain, Grim Eater can't talk. For some reason, Animal Company blocked his voice for 19 hours. So he's going to have to be quiet the whole time. So he's in a call with me right now. So if you hear me replying to him, he's in a call with me. Okay. He just said yeah. Anyways, so if you could tell, we have these items. The teleporter, which you already know. And this new gun, where if you hold it down long enough, you can choose where to shoot at. Like this. And if it wasn't obvious by now, Animal Company had a massive revamp. And also, we're going to take you around. Okay, so first things first, the grappler can't really go on much stuff now. Like, can't go on a roof, can't go on the ground much in certain spots. So there's that. Next is this. Yeah. So basically, you can buy this for $20 of an OG gorilla. OG hands, kinda. Oh, no, actually, yeah. And also this big boy. And also 5,000 company coins, W, and a golden grenade. Grim Eater said he's gonna buy this. Alright, next is shop. We've got this new pack, the Tyrannosaurus. See? Dinosaurs did have feathers. We got all this cool stuff. Alright, yeah, I don't know. I'm not, I don't really like the new dinosaur. It's good. Next are actually these, which are really sick. And then we got the old stuff. Next, we got the duck still here. But what is crazy, though, is that if you couldn't tell, my eyes are glowing. That's because if you go into eyes, you can buy variety of eyes. I should have gotten this because I'm a frog, but it just looked weird. But out of all these new eyes, I kind of wanted the glowing eyes, so I've seen it all. So yeah, the golden pack. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot that. There's now an anniversary pack where you can buy the cat, the German Shepherd, kitten, and pug, and tiger. Sorry, for $50. If you already own like all these or something, they'll give you back your money. I turn my grappler over here. Well, yeah, there's that. And now we're gonna explore the maps. Tech tree hasn't changed, but if you come up here, you'll see the new cheese. The cheese stays. Grim Eater, the cheese is still here. The cheese. He just screamed yes. There's chairs, the fan art is still here. Just a lot of new stuff. And before we check out the biggest parts, there's nothing up here. This is a tree house now. Alright, the selling machine. Right here is the mines. Right here is now the mines, and that is horrifying. And also sewers is now down here. I think that's pretty cool. And over here is forest. Fortunately, they got rid of the landmine field, so that makes me a little grumpy. But yeah, forest is still here. Alright, before we show you the craziest part, we gotta gear up. I don't think we need any weapons, but you can bring one just in case. I'll carry the mega flashlight. Alright. I'll carry a bag as well, just in case if we need anything. Alright, let's go show you the new spot. He just said the news map. The lake. Hey, don't use the gun yet, bro. Hang on. Alright, look, you could actually swim in the lake. Whee! This lake is finally swimmable, so now I can finally teach little Timmy how to swim. But if it wasn't obvious, don't touch the purple stuff. Grim Eater is screaming in pain right now. Anyways, don't touch this purple stuff. I don't know why. No, Grim Eater, don't touch that. Alright, then you have to go through an obby, but we're gonna go up here real fast. Quick, let's get up there. Yeah, there's actually a limited range on the gun. Grenadier said that. Ah, crap. I'm trying to get up there. Well, hold up. I'm in the new spot, the border. All right, this is when you cross the border. You'll see this, and the craziest part is, you could just walk on water. I am Jesus. All right, Green Meter wants me to come down, so yeah. Now for the moment you've really been waiting for. Right down here. There he is. I'm coming. I said I'm coming. Right here. We don't know what's in here, so we're gonna find out. Yo, bro. Go slowly, bro. I'm taking my grappler. We don't know what's down here, so today we're gonna find out. Yo, I told you not to go too fast. Tell me. Wait, what? Why are you screaming? We slide. I don't like where this is taking me. What is this place? Wait up! Ah! I'm in water. Okay, I will be. Can I say that? I'm glad there's no angler, bro. I'm trying. I'm gonna have to grab my gun once I'm out the water, bro. Okay, finally. Maybe I was wrong, man. Okay, where are we going? Ooh. What's in here? What is that, a stapler? I'm not liking this. Oh, heck no, I'm hearing something. Bro, I just saw a new item as well. Go get it, bro. Hurry, go get it. Ah! It's a tiny skateboard. Chad, tiny skateboard. You can finally be one. Chad, quick, well, let's get up there. Go and get that skateboard. Ah, crap. Yo, bro, I'm gonna meet you at the top. Thank God there's no angler in the water. Otherwise, I would never. Okay, alright, Chad, we're going to the vent. Alright. Bro, I hate being a scaredy cat, but it's life. Alright, how about you lead the way? I know I have a light, but I'm your light guy. One of us has to go. We need content. Come on. Oh! Oh my God, is that SCP, bro? No, bro, that's 096! Oh, heck no! Oh, heck no! No. Bro, was that SCP, bro? Was that 096, man? He's cannon. Nope. Nope, I'd rather waste all my life. Yes, bro, is. Oh no, he's right there, bro. He's coming up. Kill him! Ah! He can actually get blood, bro. Bro's got blood details. Come on, bro, let's just use the gun. Oh, heck no, bro tweaking! Bro tweaking! Bro tweaking! Bro tweaking! Oh my god, he died! I'm about to die. Kill me! Just kill me! He's just standing still, bro. Heyo. Come on, bro. He's stuck, so let's get going. What are those? What are those? Collect them, bro. Are they edible? No. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? An eraser? I can erase all your food, bro. Dead end, bro. Pop-Tart. It's a Pokemon card, look. Come look, it's a Oh, nah. Grim Eater's in the vents, bro. It's a Pokemon card. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh my god! Your eyes, bro! They are scary! Oh, I think he's back. I don't know if it's just us stomping, but yeah, it's movement. Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna let him kill me. He's coming that way. Ooh. Alright, so he comes back, but very slowly. Oh, heck nah, am I the only one hearing that screaming? Oh! Oh my god. Bro. I will. Oh no, exit! Look! The exit. I don't want to find out. It's a sewers, bro. And there's a mimic. Come on, bro. It's just another sewers. I'm falling. I died! You die! Good. I wanted to get out anyway. I'm doing the outro. Well, I just died and I am never doing that again. Well, I'm gonna make... You know what? He said we're gonna do it again. You know what? Screw you! Alright, so... It was a joke, stop crying! Alright, well that's gonna be everything for today's video. I can't believe Animal Company's done this, man. This was insane! Yeah, bro. You're talking we'll be back in 19 hours though, right? Yay, tomorrow! Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. He's just talking to me in call. But yeah, Animal Company for life. Better than Gorilla Tag. Yes, our Gorilla Tag. I don't really like... yeah, Gorilla Tag. You can do better. Come on. Not one update has impressed me. No, in just 1 week. If Animal Company can do this in 1 week, then welcome it takes Gorilla Tag 2 weeks to make one map when it's just a copy of this of an original map. All right, guys. I know you. We're not gonna listen to Grim Eater. Oh my god, he's buying it, guys. Grim Eater's gonna buy the big yeah. Alright, see ya. And just remember, never stop being the eater. I think that might be my new thing when I end a video. Never quit being an eater. Yeah, that's gonna be my new outro. Never forget to be an eater.